Guys, you're on.
Alright, we're gonna have a burping contest. Alright. They're both gonna drink Coke for 30 seconds. They're gonna chug for 30 seconds. And whoever has the loudest or nastiest burp wins. Send in a comment to see who you think had the nastiest burp.
Come on, we're just girls.
And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. Alright, girls, burp. Alright, that's Kaya's burp. Come on, Gentry, you can get it out. Get it out, Gentry, come on. Alright, send in a comment. Send in a comment to tell us who you think had the nastiest burp. See you later.